car coming up? No. Yay! Woo! Woo! I got you. What? You got scared? Here, come up. Did you get scared? Did you get scared?
Okay.
Was it too fast? It was way too fast for you? Look at mommy. Look at me. Hey, did you like it? Look at me.
I want to do it again.
Do you want to do it again?
Yeah.
Okay.
I want it slow.
You want slow this time?
Yeah.
Okay, let's go get the sled. Let's go get the sled.
I'm going.
It's gonna be Kira's turn, okay?
You're going fast, huh?
No, it's slow.
Okay, you go.
It was going fast.
Now it's gonna be Kira's turn, and then it's gonna be you again, okay? Come.
You want to go with Kira?
You wanna go with Kira?
You can't push her, you can't push her down though. Actually,
Okay.
Kira's supposed to-
Okay.
Tati, you're a
go
faker.
here.
Crying
go
as soon
here.
as we say okay. She's
Okay.
like, okay, I'm happy.
Little faker here. Okay, let's put. Do you wanna
Hey,
put Kira on the back so she just?
Hey, what are you doing?
It's all on the sled now.
Not in the
Right
sled.
back.
Okay, yes, so she can
Okay,
hold.
so how about
Stop.
one of you guys, one person will catch him at the bottom, one
Yeah.
person send him down, and one person film it.
Okay.
All right, you ready? You want to get in, Tati?
Get it? No, don't do that. So we can have the sled clean. Okay, get in here.